Hi everyone, welcome back to PLM Universe. In this video, we'll learn about one of the most basic and most important things in Teamcenter, that is items and item revisions. We'll see what an item is, what revisions are, a simple example with the iPhone, a quick look at the Teamcenter screen, and the main modules you will use. By the end, you will clearly understand how companies manage products in Teamcenter. Let's start. In Teamcenter, an item is like the main record of a product. Think of it like a folder that holds all important files and details about that product. This could include drawings, documents, CAD files, test results. So, whenever a company wants to manage a product in Teamcenter, the first thing they create is an item. But products don't stay the same forever. Companies keep improving them. This is why we have revisions. A revision is simply a new version of the same item. Like revision A is one version, revision B is the next version, and so on. This way, nobody gets confused about which version is the latest one. Let's make this simple with the iPhone. The base model iPhone 15 is the item. The iPhone 15 Pro is one revision. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is another revision. And each of these revisions will have files attached to it, like the phone's measurements, design drawings, and specifications. So Apple engineers and suppliers can always see which model they are working on. No mix-ups, no mistakes. Now let's quickly look at the Teamcenter Rich Client. That's the desktop app. When you log in, you'll see the home screen. Here you can find your recent work, your assigned tasks, and shortcut to other parts of Teamcenter. It's like your personal dashboard. Now let's go to the next slide. In this slide, we can clearly see how an item looks and an item revision looks. As you can see, iPhone is the item and iPhone 15 Pro is the item revision. Just under that, you can see the data set as well, which has iPhone design documents like measurements, specifications, RAM, ROM, camera, features, and all can be noted here. And also, you can see the structure. Item revision is under the item. So we can say item acts as a primary one and item revision is like a secondary one. In item, you can have properties like standard properties, you can say. A property called camera, charging port, charger. These are like a standard ones. They are the features that are common to all. But when it comes to item revision, that is 15 Pro has additional features. Similarly, 15 Pro Max is also another revision that has additional features. Coming to the datasets, mostly datasets are like drawings, some files that you want to store under the model. You can add any PDF or CAD drawing. Inside CAD drawing, you can have the iPhone design model, 3D model also can be added. So in this way, the data is organized in Teamcenter and companies use Teamcenter based on their product requirement. Here's another example, the Yamaha R15 bike. The bike model R15 is the item. The versions V1, V2, V3 are the revisions. Each version has its own design and test details. This shows how Teamcenter is used in many industries: phones, bikes, cars, airplanes, even documents. So in this way, you will be using Teamcenter and there are Teamcenter modules that you may use. Most common module is My Teamcenter. It's like a dashboard where you can create parts, explore the parts, and design documents. There is also another module called Workflow, which is mostly used for approvals. And also Structure Manager is for BOM view, which is like a component and an assembly will be used to maintain a structure that we'll discuss in future videos. And of course, a module like change management is also used. We'll see all these modules usage in future videos. Combining all these might be confusing for you, so let's go one by one. Let's wrap this up with a quick summary. So an item is the main record of a product, and coming to revision, they are like new versions of that product. And we have seen examples like iPhone and Yamaha R15 show how this works in real life. In Teamcenter, you can see items and revisions along with drawings and forms, and modules like workflow and change management help manage the whole process. So remember, items and revisions are the foundation of Teamcenter. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I hope this made the concept of items and revisions clear and simple. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to PLM Universe for more beginner friendly Teamcenter videos.